What's up, y'all? So I'm on my way to Cars and Coffee. It's what, like 8:35 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? About to go ahead and head out. This really gonna be my first time going to like Cars and Coffee. Normally I be going to like nighttime meets or like little car shows and stuff like that you know I had in my last videos. But this is gonna be my first Cars and Coffee. You see the whip sitting out there. Yeah, I don't know. I've never been to Cars and Coffee before. You know, you want to see what it's about. See what cars out there, stuff like that. Go ahead and get a little warm start, I guess. All right, just now pulling up. Let's look at the first car. This is a GTI.
It's a GTI, yeah. It's clean. The wheels look nice. Got the VW logo on it.
Is this the one you sent to the group chat?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, yo, this engine bay is tough. All that carbon fiber.
And I've seen it a couple times. This thing sounds nice.
Should I do something like this?
I don't know. All of that.
Yo, chat, comment down below if I should do something like this.
And then like the color on it looks nice. And the thing I like about the GTI is the fog light. Like the way.
Oh, it's like behind like the grill.
And then it's like an X.
Oh, it's like built into the grill. And it's like an X, yeah. Bruh, I'm not much of a Mopar guy. Well, but this is my first time seeing a Demon in person. What the heck? Yo,
You got the full wheel setup too.
the intake is about bigger than my head. Look at the wheels on that thing, man. Yo, look at this. Oh, and it's right-hand drive. It's an import. Look at that engine bay though. Bruh, I did not see this G. What the heck? Yo, oh my God. Wait, it's V8 swap. Oh shit. Yo, this is tough. So we got brown wheels in the front. Dang, I'm hold on too close. Two different wheel setups. What y'all think about this? Then we got this over here. Ooh. Let's get a shot from the back. Always gotta take back shots. This is clean. I like the wheels. Look at the steering wheel just sitting right there. Hold on, let me get a shot of the wheels. Let's get that back shot. This is nice. A Stinger? You're not gonna lie, I don't fuck with Kia, but like, I was thinking about getting a Stinger for a daily. Yeah, it come with Brembos, and those wheels are tough. I was thinking about getting one of these for a daily. What y'all think, yo? What y'all think? This car got eyelashes, yo? Yo, Barb girl? The cars look sweet right here, man. Hold on, let's walk up to it. For sale, $48,000. I'm not paying $48 for that. I would rather get that 340i. But yo, like the cars look sweet. Like, look. The only thing, bro, my car, I need a front lip. I need side skirts. I need to get rid of these. Well, not get rid of them, but get off these stock wheels, yo. Like, it's throwing me off.
Whoever owns this is gay.
Whoever owns this is gay. So you're gay?
Damn right I am.
Fuck. Wait. Wait. No, bro. Bro, tears are literally falling on my eyes. Bro, seeing my dream car, oh my gosh. M5 Comp. The headlights on this is mean, man. One day, man, I'll be here real soon. Hey, I'ma manifest this right now. I'm getting in this soon. So, I wanna know what car is that behind this Mustang. And he moves, and this is a, not gonna lie, I don't know what car this is. I think is it a Porsche?
Yeah. What
What y'all think of this color though? But this joint, I don't know what Porsche this is. Well, he about to turn it on. Oh snap. Yo. Okay. These, bro, what are these, like 22s, 24s? Nah, it can't be, nah, 24 is too big. What are these, like, what, like 20s, 22s? These wheels. Godzilla. Wait, is this the same one that was at the Oso meet? This is the same one that was at the Oso meet, I think.
Is it?
I think, 'cause I remember seeing this before. I don't remember seeing this one though, but this is,
Godzilla in the car?
yeah, I saw that.
I was about to say.
This is tough. These wheels, are they 4G? How you feel about the color of the wheels with the car?
It's definitely something different.
I wouldn't put 4G autos in the GTR. That's just me. But the car's still clean though. Now where that, hold on, where that BMW go? Did he leave? My home. My home. Oh my gosh. Yeah, every time I see a BMW, I just go crazy. M3 Comp. Not gonna lie, I mean, I'm not hating, but this look plain. Like, I'm used to seeing them in like colors, bright colors, or you know what I'm saying? Everything just blacked out, like.
Dude, black on black.
Well, hold on, is that an orange interior? Is that red? Oh, that's red, I think. I can't really see it. Yeah, I think that's red.
The windshield need to be tinted too.
It's just a plain M3. Wish she had some carbon fiber on it or something, but it's still an M though, so GTR. Look at those wheels, man. Dang. It's tough. Carbon fiber ducktail. And we got soups right here.
There was three GTRs that pulled up at the same time.
This wheel big as shit.
Hey, this right here's the next car.
For me?
Nah, for me.
You talking about getting a Type R now? Look at this big ass turbo, yo. Yo, the turbo is literally like the size of my head. That is crazy. You think this pushing more than you think this pushing 1,000 plus?
Probably.
Yo, they going crazy up there. Let's look at this Type R though.
I was at the light down there, bro.
Talking about the Accord?
Yeah. Motherfucker just fucking launched off, and I'm like, oh hell, no, I'm not about to
Pretty
get
much
embarrassed.
stock, but still a Type R though. Yeah, so I'm in the car now. Meet's not over. It don't end till 11, but we just leaving a little early because, I don't know, just because. I had to run to Target real quick. Yo, you want me to follow you? All right. Yo, the dude was recording. I had to do a pull for him. Had to give him his content. All right, I'm gonna drop this camera, bro. I can't drive and record at the same time. All right, y'all. So I'm on my way home now. But before in the video, I'm gonna get, you know what I'm saying, a little pull, like a little launch. You know, just before I end the video. So I'm trying to find a little spot where I can, you know, do this at where there's not really no traffic. All right. So it's a little bit of a how to, but not really. But so if you're in the manual, foot on the clutch, first gear, foot still on the clutch and on the brake. I'm gonna hit the gas and just dump the clutch. Okay, that was bad. Okay, actually that was bad. I'm gonna redo that one. It's because it's a little bit of a stoop. All right. Why is it doing that? Oh, my bad. Yo. All right, I'm about to mess up my car. All right, I forgot. Turn traction control off so you can get some wheel spin. Foot on the clutch, first gear, rev it a little bit. There we go. I forgot to turn traction control off. This car is coming. I'm trying to be careful. Yo, these turns, like, yo. Alright, let me chill. Yo, that was fun, y'all. That was fun. But let me know if I should do some POV videos and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if that would be sweet.